And because, Mr. President, you're a good man, I will just want you, one of these fine days, maybe next month, let people wacha wapumuzike kidogo, alafu jitokeleze, let us do a huge demonstration together. You, your cabinet, members of parliament, members of the opposition and members of the government, the social people, the business people, then we march along the streets, and then the police to walk alongside with us. Then we have one voice in this nation and condemn the killing. Because the killers are not citizens of this country, are not good people. The killers are people who are hell-bent to destroy your vision, to kill your presidency, to make sure that you don't, whatever vision you had for this nation does not work. Because when people are demonstrating, they're demonstrating because you have condoned the killers, and they want to say they elected you on a clean slate because they believed in you and they trusted you and they knew that you're a good man.